Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Jamaica's construction industry declined in the second quarter ended June. Director General of the Planning Institute of Jamaica PIOJ, Dr. Wayne Henry, says real value added for the industry is estimated to have dropped by 3.3%.
Mainly reflecting a downturn in activities in the other construction and building construction components. The decline in the other construction component was due to reduced capital expenditure on civil engineering activities, reflecting National Works Agency, NWA, down 52.5% to $2.4 billion, reflecting lower expenditure on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project, SCHIP, and Port Authority of Jamaica, which disbursed $137.3 million, down 89.2%. Due to reduced expenditure on infrastructural developments.
There was also an 8% decline in the sale of construction inputs. Meanwhile, the country's manufacturing industry also declined, down 0.6%.
Lower production was recorded for animal feeds, down 0.7%, sugar, down 19.5%, dairy products, down 13.5%, bakery products, down 1.2%, and rum and alcohol down 25.9%. For the other manufacturing sub-industry, higher output was recorded within the chemicals and chemicals products component, with fertilizer up 31.1%, paint up 57.9%, and aluminum sulfate up 9.4%.
Let's head to the foreign currency market now. Banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $155.54. $115.19 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The average cost for the pound is $198.93, while it's costing $170.89 for the euro. And to the stock market, the JSE index gained 23 points today, while the junior market index grew less than a point. Among the 43 winners were Iron Rock Insurance Company, Stanley Motor, Cargo Handlers, Margaritaville Turks, and Pulse Investments. The decliners were led by Palace Amusement, Jamaica Public Service 7% shares, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, Trans-Jamaican Highway US dollar shares, and Kingston Properties. Now 12 stocks traded firm. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.